Oh, look at that. Look at that.
That felt good.
Huh?
That felt good.
Yes.
Alright. Carry on.
Carry on. Carry on my wayward son. There will be peace. Okay, it's not a karaoke night. So this time, we're going to do still got to keep 500. Bring it up to 6. Push it a little bit. Altitude of the plane is also low around here. But that'll give us our 500 feet. And then you can go ahead and make your turn. You know how we're usually turning at the end of the field? And you can take it out just a little bit further. Give us a little bit more time to set up. And if this one's a good one, we're going to do a 180. Right. On the 180s, we'll start
traffic volumes on the left cross Sunday, Piper cut.
on the 180s, we're going to enter as soon as we're beam our spot. And pretty much you're going to do the same thing. 3, 2, 1, engine failure, establish. 65 RPMs in the green, flex this all down, right pedal, all that stuff. And as soon as you're established, you start your turn right away. That'll be good. Get us down a little bit, 600 feet. Okay. 65 knots, don't drop us down anymore. Little more left.
Follow that test on short range.
2, 1, engine failure. Good. Good, good. Started hearing the RPMs come up. Good. Go ahead and start your flare. Okay, pull that slow. I'll keep going. RPMs were low, you lowered the collective. You kept it at 65. Do our 180s, we're going to bring it in a little tighter. We're going to be, you see where this line, the line is between the, we're going to be about over that spot. Okay. But we're going to do another straight in before we do another 180, or before we do a 180. You just got to watch your RPMs a little bit more, because as you start your turn, not only do you have the falling force, but you have the sideward force of trying to increase the RPMs. You got your G's starting to pull you out, so you got to be aware. Yeah, your RPMs are going to start to spike up in that turn. Good timing. Good at holding your altitude and correcting your speed. Don't climb. A little more to the left. Alright, don't drop. Ready? 3, 2, 1, engine fire. RPMs go off is not a bad thing. I mean, having the horn go off is not a bad thing. It's not gonna be like, oh, you aren't keeping it in the green. If it's a little low, you know, you're fine. Let's do one more of those, and then we'll do a 180.
AJ Victor Hotel on the go. Victor Hotel on the go.
The chocolate bars. on pretty much every direction, like it just keeps switching. Like it may be one direction, then it might be 180, complete 180 switch from the other direction. But it really does, like, that on the airport, or the way it comes off buildings or landscape and stuff like that, it'll change. That's why I have full flags out. Our lights are out, gauges are in the green. Over Home Depot. Our number. Like I purposely started a little early, because I wanted you to see, you know, you need to extend your glide out a little bit. Raise that collector a little bit, just slide it. It's supposed to be 90 and 75. But
okay, you guys want to play as that?
what?
I didn't realize you could go down.
Yeah, 90 and 75, but you just have to pay a hell of a lot more attention if you're at 90.
Yeah.
So 90 and 75 is the best max glide ratio in auto rotation, and he's going to ask you that too.
Terminal 75481 at 4 miles for straight in for runway 26.
One that he probably won't ask you, but sometimes comes up, is like, what is the shortest glide ratio? And that's at 55 and in the green. So you slow down to 55 and you start dropping more. On the go.
T3 Victor Hotel, on the go.
After 3 Victor Hotel, north back, clear for the option.
North back, clear for the option, T3 Victor Hotel.
Good, good. So we're going to keep it a little tighter on this one. You're becoming. Like you're not.
That's the idea.
Yeah, I know. But you're doing it quick. Like you're not dropping off. You're not dipping anymore at that spot. You're staying at a level altitude. And people like you. Okay, we'll keep it tight. Just go ahead and continue the turn time. A little tighter about over this row. Keep your speed up, keep your speed up. That's why I was kind of helping you out a little more on that one. Alright, let's do that again.
T3 Victor Hotel on the go. North Mag, clear for the option. T3 Victor Hotel.
Now you're all frazzled on it. Pull my selective. There we go. We'll be doing one of those. And up, it's also in the turn. Ideally, if you can, I mean, you'll go out and you'll come in and hopefully you'll, when you come out of your turn, you just go straight into a regular auto rotation. That's ideal. It doesn't always work out. So sometimes you got to start your flare in the turn. But hopefully you're starting your flare and you're all straight out. Okay, ready? You're yanking back a little bit too much. But go ahead and start your turn. Raise that collective, right? Raise the collective a little bit more. Trying to enjoy my coffee, you keep interrupting me. No, hold on, this is bad, this is very bad. Take us in for it's out. Much better though. I mean, you didn't jerk it back, it was a lot smoother, and it really, all it takes is just a little bit. I'm gonna do this. 2-3 Victor Hotel. Would you, we were told to announce it. Not announce that anymore. Yeah, we're ready to go now. North back, there's the option. I'm just trying to make it easier for him.
That last place.
Yeah. After this one, we're gonna head back. Back. And we'll practice those more. We'll go to the Charlie Canyon with a little closer one. So we're going to ask for a right downwind departure.
See if anything goes down. Fast right. Downwind departure.
Right downwind of frequency. Oh no, we put in extra word. See, like these blowing off. That was almost blowing off the ocean.
First tower, Stock 7-1. 16 Northeast, X-Mirror, plus your risk.
500, don't final above 5. For a while. We'll slowly, you see, we'll slowly climb with the terrain.
Take off and wait. Carrier, turn over 230 GNT, 1 view, runway 26, full stop.
that truck down there, I want you to sit down in the bed of that truck. Alright, but avoid the... No, you're good.
The white one.
The white one, I think.
8636 uniform, number 16, right turn out.
Are you gonna try it? Like I'm looking at it. Let's go ahead and go back. Try it. Hold on, do it. We might miss. announcement, 23 Victor Hotel, Hill Pass, down. Hill Pass. 1.3 should be.
Helicopter 23 Victor Hotel, Hill Pass, eastbound, 1.3.
Yeah, 1.3 should be good. Just whatever. 2.3 would have been a little high. 090. Actually, this. Zero 1,500. This is also And then the reason that's important to keep your all your legs are timed, so like if it takes you 5 minutes to get somewhere, 5 minutes, then you're at.
Yeah.
Better off you are. Small. When we get over, you'll see down 1,500, 1.5.
T3 goes out. North. Small. Eastbound.
Not bad. And what freeway is this one? 101. Getting the wind over there?
A little bit, yeah.
Now, I want you to hold 1,500, but there's hills in the way. So when you get to the hills, you'll climb the hills, or you can go off course a little bit, go around to the left, and come back on course. But if you go around to the left, there's a chance that you're not going to come back to where you need to be, right? So you make a judgment game. If it's a tall hill that you got to go over, then maybe, and it's shorter to go around to the left or the right, then it's better to do that. But if it's really not much of a climb, then you climb up, that way you maintain your course, and then come right back down. Climb, sometimes you'll lose speed a little bit and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And you can't, when you're looking at the chart, you can't always see what mountains might be in your way, what altitude you need to be at, so that you don't have to climb or descend.
Yeah, it's either way you're going to lose time.
What?
Either way you're going to lose time.
You lose a little bit of time, so it's just your judgment call on which. But then also look ahead. Like, if we continue going this route, I mean, you don't want to necessarily follow the map of the terrain. But since you're looking ahead, you're like, Well, there's no sense in me going back down, since you have to go, if you go down and back out, that means you lose time again. So you just hold 2,000. Holding your heading, you're holding 2,000. Get back up to 85 knots. Not even falling. 090 a little bit. Go ahead and go 060 a little bit. 2,000, 85 knots. Follow a dot instead of you took over that way or something? Sure. Is that what it is? Started to roll over that way? Like, oh, pretty. Can you see the Warner Center from here? What the Warner Center is?
No idea.
It's a bunch of black buildings, like there's black buildings, a bunch of buildings in Woodland Hills. That's a call point, and it's the beginning of Van Nuys airspace. When you're doing your cross country and you're holding the head, but as soon as you see your point, your waypoint or whatever, start heading towards the waypoint. So the tall buildings that are directly in front of us, that's where we're going to head. So now you're not necessarily following 070, you're just heading, because you know that's your next destination anyway.
Yeah.
And then from there you're going to find your next spot, you're going to turn to your next heading and stuff. But 2,000 and 85. Where that dump is?
One over there.
So you'll see, 23 Victor Hotel just north of the Ower Hills dump.
Yeah, we got a
eastbound. 2,000.
Got it.
23 Victor Hotel, northbound of the Gura dump. Eastbound at 2,000.
Just north of. Like northbound or eastbound? We had to leave today. I can't get much. Oh, poor me. There's a lot of cups in here right now. Get closer to the Warner Center. As soon as the frame allows you to, go ahead and come down to 300. Alright, what's Van Nuys ATIS?
123.035. No.
Van Nuys.
0.5.
What is it?
127.5.
Yeah, 0.55. So go ahead and put it in. Lexus dropping a little on you.
What's that?
Your Lexus dropping on you, isn't it?
30 north side
basically you want enough so that it holds it, but you can still really, you don't have to force it to move,
Broadway.
so you can still make some changes. You don't want to lock it. It's like you have to do an auto rotation. Okay, so let's go ahead and listen to ATIS. Northwest corner.
Sorry, say that again.
We're at the Warner Center. That's the set of Bentleys right here. Satakoy arrival, northwest to the northwest corner. And we have what information?
Juliet.
Juliet.
Van Nuys Tower is Team 3, Victor Hotel, helicopter. West.
Arrival?
Satakoy arrival, northwest corner with Juliet.
Air south corner arrival to the northwest corner.
I got it. This is helicopter 23 Victor Hotel at the Warner Center. We'd like to do a Satakoy arrival to the northwest corner with Juliet.
Victor Hotel, Center Center, for request for Bravo.
Or Bravo, Victor. Hey, got it. Don't worry about it. 1,000. And you see the building right in front of us? Way down the distance, kind of got the white stripe along the top.
I think so, yeah.
Yep, has streak with that. 1,300. A little faster. That's the Northridge Hospital. Is that? It's kind of brownish, got white stripe around the top of it.
Okay.
That's a good indication of how to get to Satakoy. Down Satakoy, but Satakoy, that's on Roscoe. Satakoy is the next major street south of that.
Bravo 1.
You're doing good though. We just gotta make sure your academic side of it is also up to par. Right here, we're 2 roads. You got that down the middle.
Yeah.
This is Sherman Way. So Satakoy is the next major one, like that one right there. North of it. and stuff?
Very low. Brake. I did just check in a second ago, we got a quarter tank of that.
Seeing if you're paying attention to your gauges. Our oil pressure was gone, oil temp was gone. DHT, yeah, carburetor temp was gone. That's why it's kind of also important. Back up for time and how much fuel. Like, you lost your fuel tanks, or you lost your fuel tanks, but it's not necessarily mean go ahead and land right away. I mean, it's smarter to land as soon as possible, but it doesn't mean land as soon as, it doesn't mean land right now. Go ahead and say, 23 Victor Hotel, coming up on the lower.
Helicopter T3 Victor Hotel coming up on Papua.
23 Victor Hotel, landing into northwest corner at your own risk, wind variable take.
Northwest corner.
Northwest corner, T3 Victor Hotel.
Bam. Take me in.
Alright, crossover. Yeah.
Not yet, wait till the corner. But start slowing us down. And then as we come in over the, yep, go ahead. And, okay. And as we come in over the trailer park, we're going to be about 1,100.
No risk. Good, too far.
Nicely done, nicely done. And then the way I had you exit, I want you to take us back the same way. My instructor had me always doing this every time we came in, always kind of squaring off my turn following lines and stuff. Even for the longest time after I had my like certificate all by myself and my commercial and stuff, I was still but it's not bad. It's not a bad habit to have. I mean, it helps you keep your skills up. I mean, after a while you can also realize like alright, time is money. Right now it's more about building your skills up though. You're better off going direct, but yeah, right now it's about building your skills, controlling the helicopter.
Time's kind of irrelevant right now, isn't it?
Yeah. Time is, right now it's more about making you a better pilot than it is time. I mean, we're trying not to waste time, but just go to this little oil spot that's just off to our left. Not this one, but the second one. Or you see where this helipad is, the square? Go for the square right there.
I need one of those next week.
44?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
My parents are coming over. I'm gonna stay in for a burn.
Yeah. I need a 44 back at the hangar. Really interrupting a lot of things. didn't pick us back up at once. You fixed it wherever you were at. Good job.
Myself to this.
Yeah.